Imagine being a tourist enjoying your 1 week leave. Who would not want peace and relaxation, right? Naturally, the more tourist attractions you visit, the better. But we know it would be better if some aspects of our tour is optimized, such as time consumed, distance traveled, or the cost of each route. That is where GraphTheory comes in. GraphTheory describes the pairwise relationship between objects. These objects are called vertices or nodes, while their respective connections are called edges. To illustrate, nodes can represent places or locations, while edges represents the roads connecting them. GraphTheory can answer simple questions like, how far are these two nodes from each other? How many edges converge in this node? Is there a route between any two nodes? Furthermore, it addresses complex problems, including the traveling salesman problem. It is an optimization problem in GraphTheory which is promptly described by this scenario. A salesman must visit every vertex exactly once. They must start and end at the same vertex, and the route they traverse has a minimum total weight, where the weight of an edge represents the cost to traverse the path, such as money or time. However, the traveling salesman problem is not feasible if multiple trips are required, for example, due to time constraints. That is why the multiple traveling salesman problem exists. It is an extension of the classic traveling salesman problem, where multiple salesmen must visit all the nodes, with each node being visited by only one salesman. The multiple traveling salesman problem perfectly describes our original problem, finding an optimal route for our vacation tour. In reality, we cannot visit many tourist spots in a single day, so we always try to divide them across multiple days. Let's say we need to visit 19 tourist spots in Baguio City, Philippines. If we set a random hotel as a starting point, the optimal routes will look like this. And as our choice of hotel changes, the optimal routes change too. Applying multiple traveling salesman problem to optimize routes would not only improve the tourist experience, but also contribute to sustainable urban mobility and improve tourism management. GraphTheory applies not just to tourism, but also to logistics, engineering, and social networks. As long as two things are connected, GraphTheory will exist in this world.